Now let's solve this challenging case. In this challenging case, I showed you cornea of a 45 years old female patient. You can see old radial corneal scars. Now, when I asked about the history, she underwent myopia correction of -3 diopter sphere, both eyes, 20 years back at the age of 25 years. Now, according to her, she was all right for the next 10 years, but then at the age of 36, she developed early presbyopia and had to wear near glasses. And now, at the age of 45, she has decreased near as well as far vision significantly. When I measured her vision, she was 5/60 both eyes for far, as she is having progressive hyperopia following radial keratotomy procedure, which is a well-known complication. Now, many studies demonstrated that people who undergone radial keratotomy continue to drift towards hyperopia. And here I am showing you a practical example. Now she becomes 6/18 both eyes with +6 diopter sphere and have to add further +3 diopter sphere near aid to make her see clearly at near. So that's a fair significant hyperopia. Now let's talk something about radial keratotomy. It was developed in 1974 by a Russian ophthalmologist to correct myopia. It was the most popular refractive procedure in 80s in the West and even in the 90s in the East. How it is done? Well, radial incisions are made with diamond knife. If you give a deeper stromal incisions that are more effective, and superficial corneal stromal incisions are less effective. Myopia generally improves in majority of the cases. Now the complications are over and under estimation of refractive error and correction. Epithelial infections are more common. Scattering, glare more in the dark conditions, and progressive hyperopia due to continued flattening of the central cornea. Now let's come to the management of our patient. At the moment, I have given her glasses for near and far and told her that as you have early lenticular changes as well, your hyperopia and presbyopia will be corrected after cataract surgery with multifocal IOLs. And if you want early surgery, refractive lens exchange ICL can also be tried. So that was all about radial keratotomy. Thank you very much.